Hello my happy family, greetings to you all. Once again, you are welcome back again to Joy Kitchen BCN. On this video guys, I'm going to show you how I decorate this royal wedding cake. This elegant cake you are seeing, and I see it as a great privilege for me to be called upon to be the one decorating for their precious daughter. So this is the reception, and it's a Hope Faith wonderful place that they are going to be doing the reception. So guys, let's dive into it. Let's see how this decoration is going to take place. Wow. So the first thing I'm going to be doing, guys, I'm going to do the trimming of the cake. The trimming of the cake is very important and necessary. Although I'm not going to be doing the trimming so much because the cake is well leveled when I bake it. So I will do the first one because since I am decorating 5 steps, so I'm going to be doing it one after the other. I will make sure that the trimming is well done in the essence of this for you to have a perfect result. Can you see it? I am done with the trimming. The next thing I'm going to be doing, guys, can you see that I lapped the baking sheet that I'm going to be using because the cake has enough of weight. So I will double it so that the cake will not collapse on the way or before it gets to the reception or even in the reception ground. So I will grease the pan a little bit and I will put the first one, which is the biggest. And I'm going to be using royal icing, which is the pure white. So this is the first one. Once I am done like this, I will do a little filling for the done. So once I am done, guys, so the same thing you see for this, the same thing I'm going to do for the other 4. I might not display the other 4. The same thing I did here, I'm going to do for the other 4 that is left. Then I will now go to the next step in order for the video not to be too long. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, I have already do the first layer for the 5. So I'm going to start the covering of the cake. And I will also, this one is a fondant, white fondant. So this one is 2.5 kilos. So this portion I have cut is enough to cover this. So I will knead it thoroughly. So once I am done with this, the same thing you see with this, that is what I'm going to be doing for the other 4. I will not also display the other 4 so that the video will not be too long for you to watch. It will not look boring. The same way I cover this, that is how I will be covering the other 4 also. So once I do I apply the fondants on it, I will just do some maintenance so that the cake will look good. Okay. So I am fully done. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, guys, the main decoration I've started. So can you see this pipe? And I will cut it into 4 pieces. I will place it on it. The help of it is to help you for the weight so that the cake will not fall by the wayside. So once I am done, I will put a light pans on the surface, and it will help for the weight as well before I'll bring the next one in. So I'll do the same for the first and the second, the third one. And how did I achieve this mark you are seeing? So with the help of this, I will apply this cake smoother, and I will use a long toothpick, and I will make sure that the mark is well seen. So once I am done, this is the ribbon I'm going to be using, and I will apply my icing sugar. The royal icing that I earlier used, I will apply it to it in order when I placed it, it will not be falling off. And this one is also one of the decoration material I'm also going to be using. I will also place it around the cake, just as you are seeing. I hope you love what you are seeing. So the next thing, guys, that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to fix this bead for every single lines that you are seeing. So I will do it gently, touch it with a little bit of water, with the toothbrush in order for it to stick on it. So once I am done with that, guys, the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to give the third one a little bit of color. I want that one to become silver. So once I am done, I will continue with the build. So the bead, I'm going to be fixing the bead, guys. Can you see exactly what I'm doing? Wow, I can't believe that I did this with hand. This is really wonderful. Wonderful people deserve a wonderful job. A day like this is not common to be seen. It's just once in a lifetime, and it needs to be honored, and everything that concerns the wedding needs to be great. Guys, I am done. So this is how I'm going to take it to the hall, and this is the fonder floor that I'm going to be using to decorate it. You will see this one in order of my video, because this one is a long video on its own. In order for the video not to be too long, so I will not demonstrate how I did that. I am already at the reception ground. Can you see? So that is where I'm going to perfect the cake. Guys, even before I got to the reception, because of the gallops and all, you see the cake was almost like, it's not how it was at home again. It's like, it's now, how will I say it? You can get exactly what I am saying. So but nevertheless, it's still okay. So I will continue with the cake decorations here. Can you see exactly what I'm doing? Wonderful. Wonderful. Wow. Guys, you need to see this reception ground. The place is really so guys, the place is really so wonderful. But glory be to God. So this is the outcome of the cake. I hope you love what you're seeing. Please go ahead and leave your comment. Subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video again.